Hi, I'm Diego. Today we are in Sarajevo. We just finished a conference and we will speak shortly about Bosnia-Herzegovina and the transitional justice. I have a first question to you. What's the main challenge to achieving genuine transitional justice in Bosnia and Herzegovina today?
Thank you for having me in this great interview. My name is Lamija Muftić and I work at the University of Sarajevo. I'm very happy to be part of the European dialogues, and it's very important that we continue talking between European Union and the Western Balkans because we have so many lessons that we can learn from each other. You asked me, what is the biggest challenge in Bosnia? I would say ethno-nationalism. We lack dialogue between, ourselves. And the reason why is because we're constantly kept in fear by ethno-nationalists. And we have a huge, long history of getting along just fine.
During your conference, you spoke about young people in Bosnia. Do you think they are really engaged in the memory process?
I think everybody is inevitably engaged in the memory process. It's not something we can escape. However, this process has been institutionalized and abused for ethno-nationalistic, monistic narratives that exclude any other perspective and usually negate crimes. It's very difficult for young people to navigate this setting. But I think that young people are smart enough, are brave enough, and have all this available information to overcome it. So I don't know. It's never enough. But yes, young people here are active, and I wish to see them even more so.
So it's still really important to speak about that today in Sarajevo and other countries of the region.
Sadly, Sarajevo lives in the frozen time. There is no progress. We live in the same conflict, which is a political conflict of the 1990s. So it's very important to learn from our example, and it's very important to break down taboos and barriers. So dialogue is always of the essence in any context, especially Bosnian.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.